In this video I will show you how to convert this PDF into a Google Doc. Let's begin. We have the PDF open here. It has 16 pages. We will use this PDF as the example. Open up the browser you are using. I will use Chrome. Type in the search bar Google Drive. Press on the first link here. Push on the option that says Go to Drive. This is our Google Drive. We need to upload our PDF here first. Go get the PDF you would like to convert. I will use the example PDF I showed you before. Drag and drop it anywhere on this website. PDF has been uploaded to your Google Drive. Now left-click on your mouse and go up to where it says Open With. Push on that. Now push on Google Documents here. We have successfully converted this PDF into a Google document.